We'll guide you through how to multi-stream on OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the guide to Pauser, who's going to continue.
You can stream to multiple platforms at the same time using our OBS plugin. For that, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. I'm using Google Chrome. In the search bar, just go ahead and search for atom.tv and then press enter. And after that, you should land in this interface. From here, just ignore everything and then go to the products tab at the top and click on the drop down. And then from here, just go ahead and select multi-stream. After that, just go ahead and click on download multi for free and then just follow the setup prompt. And also make sure while installing the multi-stream plugin, make sure to completely close OBS Studio. And as for me, I have already installed the plugin. I'll just close this. And now after installing the plugin, just go ahead and go to the docs option at the top. And then now you should see Atom multi-stream appear. Just go ahead and click on that. And then this pop-up should appear. It should pop up like this. So you can just left click and hold and drag it and then keep it anywhere you like. So let's say I want to keep it at this side. I'll just go ahead and leave my mouse here and then it will be successfully added. Now, let's say we want to stream to multiple platforms like YouTube, Twitch and Kick. For that, we must first add a built-in stream. So this can be any platform. So mainly if you are streaming on Twitch, you can add your Twitch as built-in stream. If you stream to Twitch, that would be your built-in stream because this is the only place where the specific Twitch feature actually work, like your VOD stream or enhanced broadcasting. So let's connect our built-in stream as Twitch. So just go ahead and go to your OBS settings and then go to stream. After that, just go ahead and click on the drop down for service and select Twitch. And just go ahead and connect your account by clicking on connect account, or you can also use a stream key. So I'll just go ahead and connect my account. Now you can see I have successfully connected it. Now I can even enable enhanced broadcasting just like that. After that, I'll just go ahead and click on apply and then click on OK. And now Twitch is successfully connected. So you can see this stream information. So I can just close this for now. If you ever want to bring it back, just go to the docs and you should see Twitch stat and activity feed. You can just go ahead and click on them and it will now successfully appear. And now you can see the built-in stream is now successfully set as Twitch. Now let's add another platform. For that, just go ahead and click on the gear icon for Atom multi-stream dock and then go to main canvas and click on add output. From here, you can set any platform to your liking. So let's say I want to go with YouTube. I'll just go ahead and select YouTube. And now just go ahead and add your YouTube stream key. You can just go ahead and click on YouTube Creator Dashboard from here. And then your browser should successfully open. So I'll just wait for it to load. And now you should land in this interface. So just go ahead and click on the copy icon at the top. And then return to your OBS Studio and paste the stream key in the YouTube stream key. And then click on create output. After that, it will be successfully added. Just go ahead and click on OK. And now you can see we have successfully added YouTube also. Now let's add another platform. Just go ahead and click on the gear icon and then go to main canvas and click on add output. So this time let's add Kick. You can also add Facebook, Trovo and Twitter also. So I'll just add Kick by clicking on Kick and then click on Kick Creator Dashboard. Go to stream URL and key and then just go ahead and copy your stream key. After copying, just paste your Kick stream key here. Make sure you don't share this key with anyone. And now you can see Kick also has been successfully added. Now I can just go ahead and click on OK. And now here, just go ahead and add your sources. It can be webcam. It can be your game capture, window capture. So I'll just go with a simple display capture. And you can also go to settings and then go to output. And then from here, you can see Twitch Enhanced Broadcasting is controlling some of your stream settings. You can toggle it off by going to stream settings and then toggle it off and then go to output. And then from here, you can change the bitrate to your liking. So basically, I recommend going with the lowest value bitrate supported for. So let's say, for example, Kick has the lowest supported bitrate. Just go ahead and go with that. And then you should get the desired output for all of them. After that, click on apply and then click on OK. And now just go ahead and click on start streaming. And now your stream should be successfully started for built-in stream. Also note that you have to click on this icon every time you want to stream to other platforms, just like that. And now you can see the stream has been started for all three of them. So now let's verify it. So first I'll go to my browser and then go to YouTube and then reload the page. And now you can see we are successfully live in YouTube. So let's go with Kick. So I'll just go to Kick and then go to stream and reload. And here you can see we are successfully live in Kick also. So now let's open up Twitch. So I'll just go ahead and search for Twitch and then log in with my ID. And now you can see we are live at 3 platforms at the same time, just like that.